Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with timestamps or schedule spreadsheets in Google Sheets and noticed your dates and times just don't line up the way you expect, you might be struggling with the wrong time zone setting. Don't worry, today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to change the time zone in Google Sheets so your spreadsheet always matches your local time or the specific time zone you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find that sometimes hidden option, and you'll never have to wonder why your spreadsheet times are off again. All right, let's get started. First, open up your Google Sheet. Any sheet will do. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the one where you need to adjust the time zone. Now look up to the top left of your screen for the File menu. It's easy to overlook this menu, especially since most of us just dive straight into entering data, but all of your document settings hide here. Give File a click, just a single click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment and scroll down until you spot the option labeled Settings. It's not always right at the top. You might need to glance toward the lower part of that menu. Settings is what you're after. Go ahead and click on it. Once the settings window pops up, you'll land on a section called General by default. Now this is where Google Sheets stores a collection of behind-the-scenes options, including the one we need. Look just a bit below the middle of the window and you'll find Time Zone. It might show something like GMT 0700 Pacific Time or whatever your current default is. This is the key part. Every time you add a timestamp, use date functions, or schedule something in your sheet, Google uses this setting to decide what date and time gets stamped in your documents. Now click right where it lists your current time zone. This will open up a drop-down list of all the available time zones around the world, everything from New York to Tokyo and everywhere in between. Just scroll through until you find the time zone you want. Maybe you're collaborating with folks in another country, or you moved and want the sheets to reflect your new local time. When you spot the correct time zone, click to select it. Take a moment here to double-check your choice. It's easy to accidentally pick the wrong time zone, especially if several cities share the same UTC offset. If you're working with teammates, it might even be a good idea to check with them which one is best for everyone involved. Once you're sure your new time zone is selected, look for the Save Settings button at the bottom right of the window. Go ahead and click Save Settings. You might notice your Google Sheet reloads or refreshes for a second. That's totally normal. If you're using functions like Now or Today, you'll notice those update to the new time zone immediately. And that's it, your Sheet's time zone is now updated, and all your date and time calculations will now be in sync with your choice. No more surprise time jumps when sharing scheduling sheets or exporting data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Have questions about time zones or other Google Sheets features? Drop them in the comments below. I love helping out. For more clear step-by-step guides just like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.